Yo.
Yo.
Yo. Shit, I can barely hear you.
I was standing like way the fuck back. I was leaning back. Can you hear me
Okay,
now?
I turned it off. Yeah. Or I turned it up. You just gotta add a media source, right?
Hold on. I think you're supposed to add a browser source. Like, add it as a browser source, right?
No, I think media source.
So what, delete it again?
Yeah.
Media source?
Oh, wait. What the fuck? Yeah, because I looked it up, and that's like if you have the file downloaded. Fuck, I thought this was how to do it. Hold on. Because, yeah, you should be able to just do the link, like you said, right?
Yeah, I was trying to add it as a browser source, but then it shows, like, nothing really different.
Yeah, you're right. Sorry, browser source, and then, yeah, just copy and paste the URL, and then I should see it on your stream if you go to your in-game overlay.
So I have to type... I'm naming this... I deleted all the other sources I had of the old ones. Right? Like my old in-game overlay, my old BRB, my old everything.
Yeah, so delete, or yeah, so make a new one now with the new link for in-game.
In-game overlay, yeah, I did that.
Okay.
I go back to Streamlabs. Where is it? Huh? There. And then copy.
Width and height is 1920 by 1080.
Okay, so copy. Wait, what?
Width and height is 1920 by 1080 usually. Just put that.
Okay. That's it?
Yep.
Okay, so now it's open. Okay.
Yeah, so now you can resize your webcam and make it fit in that box. Or is that too small? Like, does it even look good?
Very small.
Okay. Hold on.
Like, this is the normal camera size that I usually go with, right? So it's obviously a little bit bigger. And should I try with the other ones? Like, add the alert one the same way?
What do you mean?
Like, you know, do the same thing, add...
Yeah, for all six.
Browser, alerts.
Yeah, for all six of them.
Alerts.
I'm gonna try updating the thing. Hold on.
Copy. Boom. Do I need to change the width and whatever for this alerts, or I can move it around?
I think you should just put them all as 1920 by 1080.
Alright, let's do that. Alright, let's try animated start scene. Start stream. Copy the URL. What was it by 1080? Something 1080?
1920.
1920 by 1080. Okay. Oh, but you put the timer there. I don't like the timer.
Okay, we can get rid of that.
Because I usually don't.
By default.
Yeah, I forgot it was that.
Yeah, I'll just change that to text that says something.
Oh, okay.
And let me just say...
one. So what's animated talk scene? Like if I'm just talking to the chat? I didn't have that before.
It's good to have. Yeah, like for example, like when you were doing push-ups, you could have had that up, and it gives you a bigger camera.
Oh, okay. Ooh, okay. All right, that's good.
But I just changed the webcam border size. Did I just make it bigger?
Yeah,
Is that okay? How's that size?
it needs to be
That looks
taller. Like it needs to be taller and thinner.
no, but you can change your webcam to fit into that. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, but it's like a tiny triangle or a tiny rectangle. Like, how do I do that?
That's how, the like your camera should have that rectangle by default now. I don't know why it's like that.
Oh,
It's
I
like
mean, if
square
I
almost.
click it, I can, yeah. Right, but I can make it like what, like thin? Like this is the size, right? It stays a square, so I can make
That's
it
what I mean.
bigger.
It should instead of a square. I thought it comes in a rectangle option.
No, like see what I mean? Like, like I can't stretch it like that. It'll keep rising as a square. Like it'll stay in that square. Like so, I can make it this
There's
big.
no, there's a way to change that in OBS. Hold on.
Let me. The fuck. Damn it. Okay, we back. Let me see here. Like right click video capture, right?
I think that's your camera source, right? Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Like if I turn it off,
And then
it's
what does
off.
it say? What does it say when you right click it? Um, what does it say under transform? If you go to transform,
Rotate, flip horizontal, flip vertical, fit to screen, stretch to screen.
oh no.
Center vertically.
Okay, I guess I'll have to remake it because I thought that was the right aspect ratio.
It's because I've like it used to be smaller. Like when I did it before. Like look, see, like this. If I put it to this, like this looks pretty big, but this is the only way to like make it fit in this border, right? Like if you raise the border up, it would fit. You know what I mean? But like if it that was why with my old overlay, for me to I could adjust the size of that little square that like where your webcam is supposed to be in, but it would go like diagonally or like the wrong height or the wrong width, so it was hard for me to like fit it in there. That's why I just kind of gave up.
I think I figured out the problem though. It's because when you bought your new webcam, you didn't add a new source for your webcam, right? You're still using the old source.
That could be true.
Yeah, you might have to delete your webcam source and also create a new source with that at a 10 or at the right aspect ratio, which is like 16 to 9,
Okay, so what? Delete video capture?
I guess.
All right,
And then I won't be able to
let's
see you,
try
and then you
it.
create a new one.
Video capture. And what did I had name it before?
Oh,
Same
webcam.
thing, yeah. Webcam. Okay. HD.
Yeah, C920
webcam C920.
resolution. Go to default Yeah, what does it say down at the bottom drop down? Device default. Put in custom.
Oh, where? Device default?
Yeah, you just had it up at the top there. Yeah, resolution / FPS type
Okay.
at the bottom,
Custom.
right there. Yeah, custom.
Resolution.
Put in 1920 by 1080. Is that 16 to 9 ratio? Oh no, sorry. No.
That's like my monitor spec. I'm pretty sure.
Your resolution should be 1920 by 1080. Why is
Right.
it showing full screen?
Because I can
Oh, then
still
you have to
adjust
resize it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So now resize your camera.
Holy
there you go, bro.
shit.
But you have to
Why
put
was
the
mine a
camera-
big fucking square before?
That's way better, bro.
Oh, that fucking makes sense.
But now you have to drag the border above your camera so that the border shows. Like
Okay.
the layer, yeah. Yeah, that.
How do I edit it? Properties?
I think you just drag it to the top of the list.
Oh, what, the overlay?
No, no, in sources on OBS, you have to drag in-game overlay above webcam. Yeah,
Yeah, I
there
did.
you go,
Just
bro.
there, yeah.
Okay. And now you can just resize your webcam and make it look perfect. You might have to like raise it from the bottom a bit. Yeah. Because it goes to the
How do
bottom
I
of
make
the
it not
screen.
snap like that?
Yeah, why is it snapping? That has to be a setting. Scale to wind or...
Hmm. Like if the border was right at the bottom, like if I could set the border to the very bottom, that's fine.
Settings, general, source alignment, snapping.
In here? In the webcam?
I get. Maybe just OBS settings.
Okay. Settings. What was it again?
Settings, general, source alignment, snapping.
Ah, I haven't enabled.
Disable snapping, yeah.
Okay.
Oh no, just where it says snap sources to edge. Yeah, perfect.
Just take all that off?
Yeah, should be good. No, yeah, because the edges, it says it snaps sources to edges screen. Yeah, should be good now. Damn it.
It's close.
Actually, I
is
can't
that
tell
good?
No, go to the right a little bit, just to the right, like a millimeter, and you're perfect.
But it goes wider.
Oh no, like drag it. Yeah.
See,
no,
you can
smaller.
see it under.
You gotta go smaller, then drag it to the right. You just had it. You were so close.
Yeah, but look, dragging it to the right increases the height of it too. No? See, oh, the bottom part. See how the bottom part goes bigger?
But I couldn't see the bottom a second ago. I don't know. You had it somehow.
Okay, what if I put it like right over top here? Does
Yeah,
that look good?
Oh, go back up a little bit. Just
Can you
up.
see me underneath there a little?
Yeah, you have to go up a little bit. You were almost there.
There? There?
Yeah, right there, right there, right there. Oh, that could work. Yeah, I don't really see it at the top, right? It's kind of
I
blends
know,
in.
I'm trying to see if I can see it at the... let's see. Like that, maybe? Do you see it on the sides? Oh, I can move the border around. Oh, okay, so I can move the border right to the corner, right?
Yeah, but then it cuts off the design at the bottom.
Ah.
I don't know. Yeah, you could do that. Yeah, there's fine. That's good.
Oh, but see, now you can see at the top. I think I just fucked it up by moving it like
No,
that.
that could be good though. If you just move the top down, then you won't see the bottom. You just move your webcam window down.
Fuck.
Yeah, that looks good. Oh. That looks good. Oh.
Is that good?
Yeah, it looks good right now, yeah.
Does that look good?
Yeah,
It
I think it's good right now.
fits.
Yeah. Okay. Do you like that though? Does it even look okay?
Yeah. The camera looks small, but I mean, like, you know, that's
We can make it bigger.
fine. No, I mean, like,
Like-
if it's normally, like, looking like this, like, you know, it's...
You can resize the border in OBS, I think, can't you? You can make the border bigger and then make the camera bigger. You can make both bigger if you want in OBS. Can you or no? Because you moved the
I
border
was able to
border.
click the border before. How did I do it before? When I click webcam, I see this square, so I can move the webcam, but I could click the border before. But see how
probably have it lined up so well
yeah,
now
now
that
it's
you
way
can-
too perfect. So like if I click the... I can't actually click the border now because it's too perfect. It should be fine. Okay, let's add the next shit. Let's just make sure it's good. Okay, so the overlay is above the webcam. The start stream... The start stream, they shouldn't be able to see my webcam. So what if I lower it like that?
Why is there two tip goal windows?
What?
There's two tip goal windows.
I don't know. That must have been some old bullshit there. Let me see. Yeah, that's actually fucking weird.
Did you already? This is the new link?
For which? For just the in-game overlay? Yeah.
For the starting one. Starting soon, you put the new link? No.
I thought I did. Maybe I'll get rid of it and do it again. Animated start scene.
I'm looking
right?
at the new link right now, and there's only one tip tool, so I don't know why
let's
it's
get rid
showing
of
two.
that. Maybe because I switched all the resolution thing. Okay, so add browser. Start stream. Copy. Add. Oh, I didn't change the fuck.
Resolution, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm getting rid of your timer right now, too.
What was it? I can't remember the width offhand. I don't know why.
1920 by 1080.
Yeah, that part I got. Okay. Okay, so the start stream, perfect. Doesn't have the camera, good. But it has the timer still, so that's in works. So let's see, add the end stream. Browser, end stream. Wait, what was it? 1920 by 1080.
1920? Yeah.
Okay. Looks good. Yeah, look, the in-game overlay holds that tip thing there. So if I hit start stream, it stays. Right, look. See what I mean?
Wait, what are you doing?
Like if I hold the start stream, it shows that tip thing, which is really only in the overlay.
Yeah, there's only one now, though. It looks how it should right now.
Yeah, okay, I see what you're saying, yeah.
And I'm fixing your timer.
You should be able to put in the tip goal or the tip thing that 20 was my recent goal, even though he tipped it on e-transfer.
I wish I think I don't. There might be a way to do that.
Yeah, okay. So now we have the end, we have the start, we have the end, we have the overlay. So it just looks like this. The overlay is just this, right? Like no other border like my old one had, right?
For in-game?
Yeah, just like any overlay. Like if I want to always have an overlay.
Well, each one looks different. Yeah, I guess the normal one you would have is that one, the in-game, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so now...
There's no border, but it shows the alerts at the top, and you have a border for your webcam.
Yeah, that's good. So the BRB, let's add the BRB. $19.20 by $10.80. All right.
But you had a bunch of random shit that I got rid of. Like you had all the stuff at the top for like your Twitter, your Steam, your like all this random shit. Like I cleaned it up a bit. I made it look nicer. And I'm gonna change all the icons at the bottom for you, like to make custom icons for you.
Oh yeah. like Twitter, I never use Twitter. So like
No, that's
having
why I got rid of all that. Yeah.
So what does that say here? What's this one here? Do you see what is this star? Like I can't read what that says.
I only see your be right back screen.
Yeah, what's this one? What's this thing at the bottom beside Blue Ultralisk on the right? I see recent donation, but then what's this one?
Recent cheer.
Oh, right. Okay, okay. All right. That's cool. Okay, so now I have BRB, I have end, I have start. Now I need
Did you already update your alert link?
the talk one. The alert one, I tried to, but I don't know where to put it, right? Because now I'm adding all these that are above it. So I probably got to push it back to the top, right?
The alert one, yeah. But you put the new link, right?
I did, but let me do it again, right? Should I?
Well, if you already put it, it should be good.
Yeah. Okay, so animated talk. What would I name that?
Big camera.
All right.
I don't know.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's
true,
what I think.
that,
'Cause
yeah,
it's
that
like
makes
a
sense. Yeah.
big camera scene.
18, what was I? What was I? Fuck. 1920 by 1080. Okay. Oh, wait, fuck. Browser source is this one.
Did Centurion come on this stream or no?
Yeah.
Oh, true.
Wait, did he come on this stream?
Yeah, that's what I'm asking.
This past one?
Yeah. The one you just did.
No, he didn't. I thought he'd be online, but he wasn't. But the other guy was like, oh, I'll give you, like, suggestions. But then we ended up just raiding, because it went in Discord. So big camera comes up. Oh, but I have the other ones lit. So
You're going to have to resize your webcam to make it fit in the big camera.
Okay, so let's see. Like properties. Or I gotta have the webcam above that.
I can only see your stream ended scene right now.
That's what I'm looking at. Yeah. So because I have.
You don't need the webcam for that one.
Big camera. Did I? Oh, I think I think I picked the wrong URL. Okay, animated talk. Okay.
Oh yeah, then you change the source of that window to your webcam. Because right now, in the big camera window, I can see your OBS. But instead of showing your OBS, you can make it show your webcam. If that makes sense.
So change this as something else?
I think you have to click on the window in OBS. The big window in the middle. Like where your webcam should be.
This one?
Yeah, in the middle. Yeah, that one. Can you somehow change the source? Make that your webcam? Because it's showing me OBS right now. Instead of your camera.
Yeah, it's showing it. Yeah, okay, so how would I do that? This? I tried to add another.
No, delete the one you created.
Delete that. It's because the other maybe if the webcam's above it, like that. But then that's this webcam. You know what I mean? So if I change this, I'm only changing what the webcam thing looks like. You know what I mean? Like if I put it under, you don't see any big camera.
Like it's a source problem. Like the window in the middle of the screen is showing your window when it should be showing your video capture. I don't know why. And that's just like a setting. Like I don't know.
Like look, if I
can you like right click?
Can you left clicking, it'll click through them. You see that? Left clicking clicks through them for some reason.
What does right clicking do?
Right click on this brings this up.
Properties? The fuck? Oh.
Okay, so now I at least have the alerts. Hold on. Now it looks like my webcam's bigger than the border. See what I mean? Hold on.
Your webcam's dragged above the border.
Yeah.
Just drag the border above the webcam and you'll be fine. No, like on the list, the sources list, that was the only problem. You didn't need to move the webcam. You just have to drag it on the sources list. Oh shit. Because you moved it. You moved the webcam above the border.
Okay, so what on here, right?
Yeah. Yeah, there you go.
So, but I can't.
Yeah, but now the bottom
I see.
starts.
Oh, I see. So.
Damn.
How come I can't just click the corner and rise it up? Overlay. And there's no like highlighting the corner here.
Fucked it up, bro.
What if I make this smaller? Then can I click this? So like how do I click the border here? It just moves fucking everything. God damn it. Properties? How did we do it before? I could click it. Hold on, maybe take off the webcam. Oh, just clicking. Yeah, see, like clicking on the screen changes the scenes.
Yeah, try clicking on the over to the left so you're not clicking the sources.
It's not. It doesn't have to. It doesn't matter where I click. It left click changes the sources. See?
You had it and then got fucked up.
I know, but then I saw that the border was not like where the cam was. Let's see. So like if I do that, like it's like slightly too big. Can I just make it a little bit smaller?
Yeah, but again, you still have to drag on the sources list. You have to drag webcam below in-game overlay. That's your problem.
Oh. Okay, so do that.
That's all you had to do, yeah.
And
now restart your webcam and you'll be good.
Like just fit it in.
Yeah, there you go. Oh. A little bit short on the left. But...
Is that in there?
A little bigger. You're just missing some on the right. Gotta go a little bigger. Yeah, perfect.
That's in there?
Yeah.
Alright, that looks way better. Alright.
Yeah, I don't know, you drag the top though, you fucked up the top. There's a gap above recent subscribers and recent follower, like it should be at the top, but I can see
Where?
space at the very top of the screen where it says recent follower and recent subscriber. You see there's like a gap above it. I don't know if you can drag those back up, but
Is that in the in-game overlay?
Yeah.
That moves the whole border. That moves the whole border.
Yeah, you moved the whole border before, that's why.
Is that good?
You gotta go to the right a little bit. Space on the top right.
Is that good?
I still see the space on the top right. I think you gotta go right just a little bit.
Like there? Is there space now?
Yeah, it didn't even move for me at all. Yeah, I still see the space, so you gotta move the
to the right.
Yeah.
Like there? The more right I go, nothing changes. Oh, you mean the whole border?
Yeah, the whole border.
But I am.
Oh well. Yeah, maybe just drag it right a little bit. The right in the middle, the red. Like when you go to resize the window.
Like this? Like what if I move it way to the right? Like nothing changes, right?
It should say 0px. You see how when you're dragging it,
yeah, like
24
here,
px?
Right there.
Yeah, 0. Yeah.
So at the top it says 4. Is that bad?
It should say 0 all around. Yeah. That's good.
Okay, this looks
good enough.
Yeah. Okay.
Webcam looks good. Yep, still looks good. Okay. Yep, all good.
Sweet.
Yeah. Did you put all 6 in?
Yeah. Big camera, which we can't really figure out. I see what you mean, this middle section, but I don't know what to do to...
Just reading the wrong source. You need it to read your webcam source instead of whatever it's.
But it is still an overlay, like, right? It's still a browser source.
No, it's not. That window in the middle is not a browser source. The window in the middle is going to be your webcam source.
Yeah,
but it is a browser source. The whole thing.
Fuck! I keep clicking and dragging this fucking thing. There you go. So taking big camera off, I see this.
Webcam in middle of browser source. Webcam.
Audio capture has no sound. Yeah, because I'm not playing any audio. Okay, good. Yeah, there should be a way to move this, but I don't know.
It says maybe drag this scene, the big camera scene below the webcam scene. Or source. I'm saying scene and source, same shit.
Okay.
So like, yeah, does that change anything? Oh no, it just puts the smaller webcam here, which we don't want. Okay, never mind. Sorry.
Drag it as back. Long as webcam is below it, you won't see it, right? It goes in
okay, so
order.
that probably means we need to add a source, like a second webcam source, and then put it on this source or scene.
Okay,
that makes sense.
So let's see. So add not another scene. What the fuck? Okay, so add another webcam source.
Yeah, put it like big camera.
Big camera.
Oh.
I already named it.
Big webcam.
Did you do the tires?
I'm gonna do it in a second. Okay. Wasn't show anything. Oh, because I have the other scene above it.
You need to do the custom resolution. Oh, okay.
Hold on.
I think you're supposed to put 1920 by 1080 in that window.
In the big web camera?
Yeah, you scroll down. Oh. Yeah, don't you put custom and then you put 1920 by 1080?
Okay.
And then can we drag that onto this scene and make it fit in that window?
Like if I turn this web camera off, then this big web camera doesn't show anything still. See how it's black? Because I already have one webcam source. Like, I feel like if I have this open, it's not going to be able to do... Like, this one doesn't do anything neither. Other than give me the big camera area, you know?
Yeah, even if you put the one you just created, even if you put that in there, it's gonna cut off your tip pool thing. So somehow we need, it's a source. I don't know how the fuck to do this. That's so weird.
Yeah, fuck that then.
We'll make it work eventually.
Yeah, fuck the big camera thing. We don't need it really.
It'll be cool later, but
Yeah,
we can figure it out
that
later.
would be cool. Okay, so overlay, I can finally always keep that on. That's cool. So what if I do starting stream? My overlay still takes over or no?
You should, like, usually you turn the camera off on those, yeah. So you just have to reorder it on the list.
Yeah, like this, where it doesn't show the border or anything. So right when I exit, the starts like stream begins, boom, and now I have my border and whatever I'm doing, you know. So same for a BRB screen. The BRB screen should hide the camera. Right, like that. Just like the start stream. Okay. And now end stream, same, right? So, okay, so start stream, end stream, BRB. Okay, so yeah.
But you'll add the source for the big camera, and we'll fix it later. But don't delete the source. Did you delete it?
Yeah.
Oh shit. No, I think you should leave that, bro. It's really useful to have.
Okay, yeah, true. Okay, so let's see. So new, was it browser? Yeah. Browser, big camera.
And we can fix it later. But
Yeah, we'll figure it out. Where'd that shit go ahead? Oh yeah, there. Alright. Animated talk scene. Let's see, copy. 1920 by 1080. Big camera. Yeah, we'll figure that shit out later.
okay. Anyway, now I can keep working on it, and you won't have to do anything else.
Alright, sick. Is the camera a good size, or do I look like so small?
I thought this was like normal size. Do you think it should be a bit bigger?
Maybe it's just because I'm used to having it bigger. You know what I mean?
Okay, well, give me 1 sec. I can just make it slightly bigger quick.
I gotta go put my tires in Kevin's car because we're getting my car worked on tomorrow, so I gotta go go roll my tires into his truck.
Okay, do you want me to make it slightly bigger, then you can fix it later, or no?
Sure, yeah. Yeah. Let's try that.
Okay. We'll do that. I will do that. Doing it right now.
Yeah, there was always a trick to that big camera scene, because even before, when I got my first, like, overlays I choose, which came in like a package, like it had all those scenes as well, but I still could never figure out how to make my camera like the big part of that scene. Like, there's got to be a way to do it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like I had the same thing, I just got rid of it because I was like, what's the point of this? But it was kind of like how it looks in this picture, where your camera is the full screen. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Okay, I'll look more into that. I just fixed your webcam though. I made it slightly bigger. Now you can resize your webcam. I don't think you want to go too much bigger. I don't know. You can do whatever you want, but
Like that? Does that fit in there?
you have a small little gap on the right-hand side. Now you have too much at the top.
What about there? Still too much at the top.
Little bit. Yeah, that's good.
It's like, it's so hard to see.
Yeah, I think no, that is good. Okay. Okay. All right, I'll keep working away. Yeah, finally get your tires done. Okay.
Yeah, good. I gotta just set that up for tomorrow because I gotta go. We're doing a ball joints and my tires changed to my all seasons, but that's at 8 in the morning. That's so fucking early, man. Yeah, but that's why I'm putting the tires in the fucking truck now, because he's gonna bring his. I can't fit 4 tires in my car because I got the car seats, right? So.
Oh, in the trunk you can fit 2.
I can fit 2, yeah, but I can't fit the other 2 with the car seats. So I was just gonna put him in Kevin's truck. He brings his truck to work with my tires, and then I bring the car there at 8. And then he does that shit, and then he'll bring my tires home, my other tires, winter tires.
Nice.
Alright, man. Thanks for helping. I gotta go do some other shit now, and then let me know how it goes, bro.
Okay, good luck, bro. I'll keep working away.
Thanks, brother.